You can stay on Windows 10 until 2032, and Microsoft is the one making it possible. What if I told you that even though Microsoft says general support for Windows 10 ends in October 2025, there's a legit path to keep using it, securely, until 2032. Yes, the public support clock for Windows 10 Home and Pro will stop ticking in 2025, but Microsoft has quietly built a safety net, the long-term servicing channel, LTSC editions. Here's how it works. For ordinary users, the end of support means no more monthly security patches, but for those using Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC 2021, support continues until January 2027. And even more surprisingly, the Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021 version is supported all the way to January 2032. That's essentially giving Windows 10 a second life, officially. So what's the catch? First, LTSC is built for stability. You won't get new features, only security updates. Features like Microsoft Store, Cortana, many inbox apps are stripped or disabled. But for many, that's the point, a lean, dependable system. Before we go further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening tech stories and discoveries, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive. Packed to do it. Acquiring LTSC is not as simple as flipping a switch. It usually requires enterprise or volume licensing. Consumer Home Pro keys won't activate it, so it's not a path Microsoft markets to everyone. But for those who manage to get the proper license, the advantages are clear. Extended security updates, less bloat, and stability over years. Still, this route isn't perfect. As feature updates fade, compatibility with future apps or drivers might suffer. Some hardware or software vendors might drop support for Windows 10 altogether. At the end of the day, if you have older hardware that can't run Windows 11, and you hate the idea of upgrading, LTSC offers a viable lifeline, but it's a calculated choice, not a free pass. If you want the full details, check out the link in the very first comment below this video.